If your spidey senses were tingling, you weren't wrong. Special delivery from Australia, and you can guess what it is. Let's open it up. What up, everybody? Welcome back to Infinite Nerdism. Sorry, I finally got a haircut, so you're welcome. But yeah, check out my Instagram. I posted that I got these two right here. These DXF figures, Bakugo and Midoriya. I got them displayed back there somewhere, but I didn't do an unboxing for these because these were going to be just, you know, primarily I want to keep this channel for pops. These are pretty cool too if you haven't got these. If you're a fan of My Hero Academia, these are amazing. Check them out. But yes, the reason why I'm doing this video, I got a very special delivery here, package today, all the way from Australia. I don't even know where to begin with this. I finally got my Joker knife. It was in my car. There it is. Why is it my Joker knife? It has the "Why So Serious" on the blade. So where do I even open this bad boy? Let's just start. Finally, I got it. Did some damage on my knife though. He like triple taped this thing. Ooh. Is that it? Is that it? That's it. Bubble wrap and newspaper. Thank you very much. Let me show you something here. So this is who accompanies me usually when I do these unboxings. Chilling. This is Butters. This is my dog. She just hangs out in this room. Say hi. She was just outside real quick. Went and did her business. Anyway, let's get back to the pop. So, you couldn't tell by the title, obviously. It is Spider-Man. That was exclusive to Australia. Obviously, it came with the metallic Thanos purple, gold metallic Iron Man. But this is the only one I wanted, seriously. I had to get my hands on it for sure. I don't remember the guy's name. I think it was on the box. It was like Chris something from Australia. I've always wanted to go to Australia. To New Zealand, you know, just kind of check it out. I've always heard good stuff. Especially because Power Rangers was filmed in New Zealand. The first season at least, or usually is, right? Like newer seasons. I don't know what kind of tape this guy used, but it's very durable. Close this up again. Got it out, got it out. And there it is. Looks amazing, first off. Chrome, Spidey, and a soft protector. The lighting's not as good in here, but look at that. I'm pretty sure you've seen plenty of videos of these. I don't want to take them out. I don't want to take him out at all, but I've always thought it's funny because he looks kind of chunky in like the window pictures, but that is awesome. As far as I can tell, perfect condition. This is great. I was worried because I've seen other YouTube videos or unboxings where they get pops from other countries and customs just like tears these up, and I'm glad it didn't happen to this. But yeah, subscribe guys if you want to see more unboxings. I'm gonna do more mystery unboxings, probably the Poptopia one coming up. I didn't do the Game of Thrones one, but I will do another one coming up if it's something catches my eye. Also follow me on Instagram at Infinite Nerdism down here. Thank you, Spidey. Until next time guys, have a good one, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Take care.